Bad books flood markets, not AI. AI is flooding the market is the same panic they had about self-pub in 2012. Slop flooded markets before AI. It will flood them after. Typewriters didn't cause it. Self-pub didn't cause it. People cause it. Tools are neutral. Amazon had over 60 million titles. Most were bad before 2022. Readers still found the good ones. They'll find yours. The myth? AI is ruining publishing. The truth? Authors shipping slop ruin publishing. AI is a tool. That's it. Be the author who doesn't. Ready to ship good and fast? AI Writing. Easy AF.